Today I'm going to continue with my fall baking. I had showed you one last week that was a challenge for domestic diva, and it was the apple walnut cake. Well, today I'm showing you apple fritters. I think it's a wonderful recipe for the fall, especially when you eat them warm. So if you like content and recipes like this, please hit that subscribe button down below. Give me a thumbs up. Comment, tell me what you think. None of this costs you anything, and it sure helps my channel to grow, because the YouTube algorithms, they love when people do this. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I've got 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and to that I'm going to add 1/4 cup of sugar. I need 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. I need 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. And I need a teaspoon of cinnamon. And I've got my oil heating up to 350 degrees. I love the smell of cinnamon. I just want to mix that together. And now I want to mix in 1/3 cup of milk, whole milk, and an egg. And I just want to mix that till it's combined. I don't want to overmix. Is fold in 1 cup of apples, and I'm using Granny Smith, and it was just 1 small Granny Smith apple, and that gave me a cup of apples. So I just want to fold that in. And now I'll just wait for my oil to get hot. Alright, I've got my oil too hot. Now I'm just going to drop them by a heaping teaspoon, and I love this little thing. Let you get a little closer. And you just want to cook them. For a couple minutes, and then flip them. You don't want to overdo it, because you want to be able to watch them. Yeah, I really don't wait the 2 minutes. I just keep flipping them. Kind of like making hush puppies, if you've ever made hush puppies. Just want to brown them real good, and then scoop them onto a paper towel, and then let them drain on a rack. Some more in here. Got a rack, and I'm just going to move these that I've been draining on the paper towel to my rack to cool. These are the easiest. Didn't take no time to make. If I had another apple, I would have doubled the recipe. Enough for one more. Oh, wow, thought it made more than this. Now I've got 2 cups of powdered sugar, and I need 1½ tablespoons of milk. I like a little vanilla in mine, so I'm just going to do just a dash of vanilla and then do the rest in milk. You just want a thin glaze, but you want to be careful not to add too much liquid because it doesn't take much. But I did not sip my sugar. Drizzle this, but I kind of like dunking it. A little splash. And these are best eaten warm. Drain on the rack. I said I wished I had another apple. I'm afraid this is just going to be enough to make everybody mad. A little just let these set up. They are. I got 16 of these little ones. Like I said, I should have doubled the recipe, but I didn't have but one apple. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please again hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and leave me a comment. So until next time, everybody, bye.